The BMW. The car that says, I have money, but I also like to live dangerously. Today, we're diving headfirst into everything wrong with BMW. Buckle up, folks, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's start with the classic BMW owner. You know the type, the guy who talks about German engineering like it's a religion and refers to his car by its full model number. Oh, you drive a 3 Series? How quaint. I have a 328iM Sport X Drive with the premium luxury package and a side of pretentiousness. Now, let's talk about BMW's commitment to making car repairs a financially life-changing event. Oh, your water pump broke. That'll be your firstborn child, please. Seriously, these repairs cost more than a college education, and sometimes, they're just as unpredictable. The BMW parking job. It's like watching a cat try to swim, awkward, confusing, and ultimately, a disaster waiting to happen. Is that a spot? No, that's a curb. Is that a spot? Oh, nope, just another car. Maybe I'll just park on this pedestrian. And let's not forget BMW's uncanny ability to turn fuel into air. Seriously, these cars drink gasoline like it's a fine wine, leaving you wondering if you accidentally bought a secret transformer that turns money into exhaust fumes. The ultimate driving machine, stuck in rush hour traffic. It's like having a cheetah as a pet and only letting it out to play in your backyard. Yes, go ahead, unleash those 500 horsepower at a solid 5 miles per hour. And of course, we can't ignore the BMW driver's natural habitat, the left lane. Oh, you want to go faster than me? Too bad, I've claimed this lane in the name of German engineering superiority, and I refuse to use my turn signals. Out of fluid. And finally, let's talk about BMW drivers and their interpretation of parking spaces. Compact car spot? Quote, my BMW is so compact, it practically fits anywhere. Except, you know, in the lines. So there you have it, folks. Everything wrong with BMW, from the owners who think they're driving a spaceship to the cars that eat money for breakfast. But hey, despite all its quirks, we still secretly want one. Because let's face it, nothing says I've made it like a BMW, and a second mortgage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you've ever been personally victimized by a BMW driver. And subscribe for more automotive roasts. Click on the video in the screen to know more about the car problem. Until next time, drive safe. Unless you drive a BMW, then just try to make it home in one piece. Cheers!